Hi, welcome to TGN channel. I'm Jason. Today we have is a Philips monitor we have here, and it's a 34-inch curved monitor, and the model number is 346B1C. Okay, I know it's slightly long, alright, but don't worry, we will go through the content of this box. Alright, so other than the unit itself, basically I will go through some of the features that is inside here. I will show you after I've done the unboxing. So there's a USB docker, okay, USB-C docker for you to do docking, and I'll explain that also. And in terms of the curve ultra wide, it's 21:9. Okay, it's 21:9 as compared to the usual is 16:9. Okay, you also do multi-client integrated KVM. So that's to say that if you have a laptop and a desktop, you can actually share using the same screen, and you can share within the two systems. All right, and of course, as usual, it also supports the multi-view because it's 34-inch. All right, so now let's move on to unboxing the unit itself. Let me cut it up and let's see what's inside here. Okay, it's a rather heavy unit and big. Alright, so there's going to be quite a number of items inside here for us to see it and look through. Okay, let's see what the Philips provide us. Okay, so there is a HDMI cable. Alright, not stated on what's the version, and there's also a USB-C to USB. Okay, there's also a DisplayPort cable provided, and in our case a UK power cord. Okay, so all these are all provided together with the packaging. Okay, now I strongly believe this is the back cover. Okay, this back cover is just to cover the back of the monitor where there is a docking for all the adapters. Alright, now let me see the stand. Okay, let's see how do we take this all out. Okay, so there is okay. So this is a base. Let me remove the base. Oh, it's very heavy. The base is very heavy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to mount it. Alright, it's basically screwless and it's all attached together. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Okay. Let me remove this. Okay, so this is the neck. Okay, on the neck you can go up and down, and as usual it's a VESA mount. Okay, or you can clip it on. Okay, so let me see, and put this in, and subsequently after this all you have to do is just screw in the neck. Okay, like so. This is what I'm doing now. Okay, before we remove out the screen. Okay, so this is done. Okay, let me put this on the floor and let me get rid of this styrofoam here. Okay, after removing the packaging, you will see that there's a bracket here for you to put in the stand. Okay, so what happens is I'm going to do now is I'm going to clip on the stand. Okay, but before clipping onto the stand, let me show you all the various connectors that comes with the monitor. Okay, since it's on a better angle here. Alright, so you have your HDMI, your DisplayPort, and there's also RJ45 for network. Okay, and then there is the on-off button and also the C13 power connector. Okay, now on the other end we have the USB ports. Alright, so you have your USB ports for your connection, for your docking. Alright, and where is the USB-C? Okay, so the USB-C is over here. Okay, you can see the USB-C over here, so that's where you plug in from USB-C to, let's say, your computer or your Mac. Okay, so then you can become a full docking station for you. Now let me put this back into the box for me to attach the stand. Okay, so what we're going to do is there are two catches here. All you have to do is just slide in to the hole. Okay, once that's done, you'll hear a sound, you'll clip on. Alright, and the best part is to lift it up on the stand. Okay, and it's done. See, it's as simple as that, and we can just flip it over, and the monitor is done. Let me put it down on the styro box. See, it's so simple as that. Alright, and then that's the end. Okay, so basically what we've done is we've unboxed the 346B1C. Alright, and you can see here with the full docking with USB-C, alright, and HDMI and DisplayPort available for you. Alright, so that concludes my unboxing for the Philips monitor. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave it to us on the comment section. We will definitely give you a reply. Or else, if you like the video, it's been helpful, please remember to click like and also do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.